Hello everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to show you how to add pigtails to a receptacle box. Alright, so if you remember from my last video, I showed you how to do the grounds and push the wires up into here for roughing. Now, there's another way instead of having two whites and two blacks. Pull these out, I'll show you what I mean. You've got what's called a pigtail method, where you pigtail your wires together. And I'm going to show you that right now. Now, pigtail wiring is a little bit more common. Alright, we're going to do our whites. Alright, see, I got a short piece here. Okay. I'm going to take my whites. Take them, cut that off. I use these ideal twisters. Okay. Alright, and then I'm going to push it into the box for my receptacle. Now I'm going to do the blacks. Yeah, I know I stripped it back a little much there, but that's okay. Okay. So now we got our black and our white. Alright, those are called pigtails. You see, I got my wires. Whoops. See, the wires inside there have got wire nuts on them and they're pigtailed. So that's how to properly make up a pigtail joint inside of a box or a receptacle. I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.